So we're going to be kind of walking around. I think there's going to be a lot of these movie references. So we're going to be sharing you what it's like, and we're also going to show what it's like in the evening time. So stay tuned for that. And I'll put it up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Beautiful architecture around here. Oh, and there's all these references to this too. We're going to be showing you more of this. So stay tuned for that. So let's show you where we're at now. Oh yeah, Jiangmen, China. I love this kind of big city, actually. It's kind of small, but kind of big. Kind of not very well known, but also kind of well known among the Chinese. Anyways, it's up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And then we're also going to be in this kind of certain area. So I just put like a bigger square around that area. And without further ado, let's just get into it. And you can join me as if you were there yourself. Okay, so let's... I don't know if the reference to this is, but I think these are all the Jiangmen tourist things to see. So I guess this is kind of like a tour guide thing. Actually, there's a lot to Jiangmen that I don't know yet. But this is probably my 10th or 12th video, so there's just so much in this area already that I want to see more, but hello. 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 Everybody's really friendly, so. Okay, so we got some more movie references. So I'm gonna try to get up to a place called 33 Steps, and it'll have more of these scenes. But you can see it in Jiangmen. It's called Macau. We're giving it kind of a Macau reference because we're not too far from Macau in this area. Let me see. I'll have to move like this. Let me see. So there's more of the movie references. We're gonna go up to a place called 33 Steps, and then that will so let me just kind of see here. So that's kind of where we were coming from, and then this one will be, let me see. Hello, how are you? Cheers. I wish I had, let me just kind of see what this is on this direction. I want to make business cards so that people can see the channel, and then later I need to get over into the Chinese ones. Because they'll also do live streaming. I'm not live streaming, but I might as well be. But there's a Chinese one for live streaming, and that is something that I should be doing. And then I can build some people for some more of these references. Jingning Road. But kind of the heart of this area is called 33 Steps. And they'll have all the movie references. I think it's just up here just a little bit. Maybe it's right here. Or no, this goes up to it if I go up that hill. But I'm not gonna go up the hill right now, because we're gonna go straight and then we're gonna look at 33 Steps from down below. And this street has more activity, which is kind of what I want to capture anyways. So that right there is the base of 33 Steps, and then that's where they filmed this movie. It probably has other references too, but you see all these movie references everywhere, and there'll be right in there's some of the scenes right there where they're filming, and then there's more in here. And then these are the 33 Steps. You're going to see those in a second. So we will walk over there. It's right around the corner here. So I think a lot of the shop owners, you know, the film crew was here. I think they did like a TV series. There's another Jiangmen reference. So we are going to go and show you because it's right here. Let's see. There's also a coffee shop here too. I think the coffee shop must be in the little red book. So a lot of people are taking pictures of this coffee shop right here. Then this is the Jiangmen 33 sets. So that's it right there. And I think this coffee shop, oh, okay, let me see. So there's a picture right here. So the coffee shop is actually in the picture. But it looks like, do they have the same images? Looks like they had like movie images there too. So kind of cool. So we are going to step back a little bit and just try to capture this whole scene. Hello. Cheers. So we're gonna also want to capture this area too. We also have this as well. So this scene and this scene is this scene. Okay. And then we have the choice. This one looks like, we'll see which one is better to go down. Could go down that way. Huh. But because there's more people here, I'm gonna just follow the crowds. I think it might be more interesting on the camera. So this, hello. Everybody's so friendly. Let me see what this is. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. That sounds good. How much is for one? Oops. For one, how much? Let me see. So if I get one.
Yeah, you got.
Yeah, just one. So I don't know if is that good?
What's that?
Oh, 3? Okay. There you go. Cheers. Cheers. What's up? Hello, how are you? Cheers. Nice to meet you. Okay. So we're gonna keep on going down. So I just got, oh, so that was the 33 references. I want to get something and I'm going to try it out later. I do want to see what it is. And I think we're going to be coming to an end shortly. We'll see when it seems like a good time to end. There's some more movie references. The Knockout, it's called. Hello. Okay, let me see. So I think we're going to keep on walking down. And we're going to come to an end. More movie references. I'm going to go down to the riverfront. So I think I'm just going to end the camera for now, and I'll go down there and end the whole series. Okay, so we're going to end this one on the waterfront. I don't know if the waterfront would be worthy of a whole video by itself, but we were just right in that neighborhood, just right on the other side of this park. And then we're just going to end it in this space. Yeah, this whole city was kind of built on the riverfront, as a lot of these cities were in Guangdong for a lot of the trade going up and down the rivers. So anyways, I think this would be the ending of our video, and at least you kind of got an idea. When all these lights come on, I bet it'll look kind of cool. But yeah, so this is Jiangmen. Let's do a little 360 so you can see the river. Other stuff on the other side, even a little mountain over there. We'll end it right there. Jiangmen. let's end it on that little thing over there. Hello. Cheers. Hello. And then we're gonna just close it right here. And so this area is called Pengjiang, and then there's all these references all the way down. Hello. Okay. Then we're gonna end it right there. Jiangmen. Yep, so yeah, I'm gonna definitely come back again for sure. This will be the last set of the videos for Jiangmen.